Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable two-factor authentication on Webull. Securing your Webull account is very important, especially when dealing with investments and trading funds. So in order to enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account, first of all, launch open Webull application on your device and log in. Once you're logged into your account, tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner. From the menu options, go ahead and tap on your name at the top or your nickname at the top. On the next page, scroll down and tap on Two-Factor Authentication. Now, toggle the switch on right next to two-factor authentication, and then you'll be able to enable two-factor authentication for Webull account. After you do this, the two-factor authentication is going to add an extra layer of security to your Webull account designed to ensure that your account can only be accessed on devices you trust. When you want to sign into a new device for the first time, you'll need to provide two pieces of information: your password and the verification code that automatically sends to your linked mobile number or email. So that is how you can easily enable two-factor authentication on Webull. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.